without me. Don't leave without me.
Hey guys, and what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today well, not really, actually, I thought so we were playing. No, we are doing, I guess from the title you guys can tell, I'm going to do a tutorial of how you guys can enable 2FA, because a lot of my friends don't really know how to do it, so quick little tutorial. So you go over here, and it'll say Enable Authenticator. You just click that. Wait, no, I think, was it that one? Wait, it was enable? Yeah. And it'll send it to your email. I'll reload my email. It'll send a security code. And then I guess I just have to wait for it to load. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Gotta do this. Why not enable? Oh, nice. Control C. Then you just copy that. Control V and continue. Okay, I guess that's an expired code. You're gonna have to wait. There we go. Here's my new sign-in code. You guys just have to copy that with Control C, and you paste it with Control. And then done, and then it's enabled. So it's gonna be enabled. I don't really know if you have to do anything else because I enabled it before and I was gifting people. But that's how you enable it, so I guess you can gift people skins and stuff. But that's how I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you want some more tutorials on what to do and which tutorials you want me to do, comment down below. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!